In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Charles Schwab. First, the short answer, you can't send a normal email from your personal inbox for account support because the company doesn't publish a general customer service email. Instead, they use secure channels that protect your financial information. The official and recommended method is secure message inside your account. Log in on the website or app, head to the message center, sometimes labeled Secure Message, tap or click Compose, and write your request. Be clear about what you need. Include relevant account details like the type of account or recent transaction dates, and attach documents only through this tool. Avoid sharing full account numbers or sensitive personal data in the body. The secure portal already ties the message to your profile. After you send it, you'll typically get a confirmation and can check the thread for replies, just like an inbox. This is the only sanctioned way to email support about your account, and it's the fastest and safest path to a resolution. If you're not yet a client or you just have a general question, use the contact form on their website. It's designed for things like learning about services or starting an application. Keep the details general, don't include confidential information, because this channel isn't intended for sensitive account issues. Expect a follow-up by phone or a reply that guides you to create an account and use secure messaging when needed. A quick word on security. The firm avoids normal email because standard email isn't encrypted end-to-end. That's why clients are directed back to secure messaging. Also, be cautious with messages that look like they're from the company. Scams are common. Verify the sender domain, don't click unexpected links, and never share passwords or one-time codes. If you get a suspicious message, report it through the official security resources listed on their site rather than replying. There are a few special email addresses used for very specific purposes, such as accessibility support or reporting phishing. These are not for general customer service or account requests, so don't send support questions there. If your issue is urgent, call the number listed on the back of your card or on the official website. International options are available. Have your account information ready for verification, but never share your password or full card numbers. To recap, if you already have an account, use Secure Message inside your login. For general inquiries, use the website's contact form. For time-sensitive matters, call. That's the right way to reach support securely and efficiently.